the centre's direction to Khordha collector and Odisha chief secretary to keep the diversion process of forest land in favour of the Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences in abeyance, an RTI activist and an environmentalist have trained their guns at former Biju Janata Dal MP and the owner of Keet and Keys, Achyuta Samanta. It is alleged that Achyuta Samanta is a habitual land grabber. Moreover, the former ruling party Biju Janata Dal has also come under scanner after the development. Khordha collector has allegedly started the process of diversion and handing over 4.032 hectares of revenue forest land under Chandaka Wildlife Division in favour of Keys, Bhubaneswar, for the development of educational facility for tribal students. In a letter on June 21st, Tribal Affairs Minister Joel Oram directed the Khordha collector and Odisha Chief Secretary to keep the entire process in abeyance. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs has also separately sought clarifications from the state government on the matter. Complaints have been received about proper compliance with the Forest Rights Act while processing the proposal. It is understood that you have initiated the process to hand over the aforesaid revenue forest land to Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences. You are advised to keep the process in abeyance till the required clarification is received in the Ministry of Tribal Affairs and formal clearance is issued in the matter, the letter read. Earlier, before the general elections, an advertisement was issued by Keys regarding obtaining clearance from the ministry. Time and again, it has been alleged that several forest lands are being illegally encroached upon by Keys. In a response to the allegations, Khordha collector Chanchal Rana said, "We have received the letter from the ministry and it is being examined. We don't know what happened in the past and the case record is being examined. What is there on the land will be investigated." Meanwhile, Right to Information activist Pradeep Pradhan and environmentalist Prafulla Samantrai rapped Samanta by bringing land grabbing allegations against him.
दीर्घदिन धरी ओडिशा रे जदि भुवनेश्वर के बेसी जमी हरलुट करि थाए से होसन अच्युत सामंत ये सरकारी जमी जते बेले केस माडी बसिला एबो जो माने नीरव रहिले कोनसी कार्यानुष्ठान ग्रहण करले नाही कि सरकारी खाता को आने पय कोनसी विधि नेले नै तांको विरुद्ध रे कार्यानुष्ठान ग्रहण करा जियो दरकार एबो कंजेशन ग्रहण संबंधित कंप्लेंट्स रिपोर्ट मध्ये केंद्र सरकार दरकार
2017 रे एनजीटी कहला जेतु फॉरेस्ट क्लियरेंस नाही से सेतरे कोनसे प्रपोजल भी नाही तेणु करी इमीडिएटली सेटा को एविक्शन करा जाऊ ताकू डिमार्केट करा जाऊ फेंसिंग करा जाऊ और प्रिस्टाइन कंडीशन को अना जाऊ तापर मोर जहाँ नॉलेज कहूँ जे पॉसिबली सेटा सी तांको कब्जा रे ही रही सेटा केबे भी रिट्रीव हेनी गवर्नमेंट ताकू केबे भी रिस्टोर करिनी.
Now a question is raised as to whether Samanta is trying to grab land on the pretext of providing education to the tribal students. Has Samanta misutilized his power when he was an MP of the ruling party? Why didn't the Biju Janata Dal government implement the order of NGT for a long time? Is there involvement of senior officials in the illegal activity? In response to the development, Bharatiya Janata Party leader Babu Singh said that the state government will not spare anyone if found guilty.
कहारी की छड़ा जीवन है जो माने भूल करथिबे से जते बड़ पदवी रे थांतु जते बड़ पोजीशन रे थांतु तेणु राज्य सरकार आसीबा को स्वल्प समय हेछि जदि एभली कोनोसी भूल बा त्रुटि थिबो निश्चित भावे तांको विरुद्ध रे दृढ़ कार्यानुष्ठान ग्रहण करा जिवो.
No reaction regarding the allegations could be obtained from Kees Samanta or the Biju Janata Dal. While Achyuta Samanta is yet to comment on the allegations, Keet Chief Pro Shraddhanjali Nayak said no official letter has been received.